Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, x equals the square root of 1/10 minus x, okay? Well, first thing, I got to square both sides. Let's get rid of the square root. So I'm squaring here, left with an x squared equals 1/10 minus x. Then I'm going to bring everything over to the left-hand side. So we have x squared plus an x minus 1/10 equals 0. Subtracting 1/10 on both sides and adding the x. So now I need to factor that. Well, what two numbers multiply to be negative 1/10 and add to be 1? And we are looking at here a negative 10 and a positive 11. 10 times 11 is 1/10. Negative 10 times 11 is negative 1/10, but when we add those two together, we get a positive 1. So our two solutions, when we set each one equal to 0, is x equals positive 10 and a negative 11. So now I need to check these, check them for extraneous solutions. So let's do our check here. Okay. First one, x equals 10. Well, x equals square root, I rewrite the equation, right? Of 1/10 minus x. And then I plug x in, substitute it in, both of the x's. So we have 1/10 minus 10. 1/10 minus 10 is 100. Square root of 100 is just 10. Left and right hand side are equal. Fantastic, looking good. X equals 10 is a real solution, but I got one more to check. Can't forget him. He's just sitting there. Can't forget him. I'm rewriting my equation here. Fantastic. Then I'm going to plug negative 11 in for x. So negative 11 here equals 1/10 minus negative 11. Subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So we have negative 11 equals the square root of 1/10 plus a positive 11, which is 121. Okay? 121. Square root of 121 is just 11, so we have negative 11 equals 11. Oh, not the same, right? Negative 11 and positive 11 are not the same. That means that negative 11 is an extraneous solution. So my only real solution here is x equals 10. So let's recap here. We're given x equals the square root of 1/10 minus x. I squared both sides, eliminated the radical, and then brought everything over. Then we proceeded to factor. So we factored and we ended up with x minus 10 times x plus 11. Solved that, setting each part equal to 0, getting x equals 10, x equals negative 11. So then I had to check. So I take both those values and plug it. The first one I plugged in 10, plugged it in, simplified. Left and right hand side were equal. Fantastic. It's a real solution. The next one, negative 11, when I plugged that in though, I ended up getting negative 11 equals positive 11. Not true. So that's an extraneous solution. Don't count it. And so our only true answer here is x equals 10.